In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display a discount code on Shopify. Creating a seamless shopping experience for your customers often includes offering discounts and deals that catch their attention. Let's walk through the process to set these up effectively on your Shopify site, ensuring they are visible and enticing for your visitors. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin panel. This is the control hub for your online store. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of your screen and click on Discounts. This will open up the Discounts section where you can create new discount codes or manage existing ones. If you haven't created a discount code yet, you'll need to do that first. Click on Create Discount, where you'll be prompted to choose between a variety of discount types, such as percentage, fixed amount, or free shipping. Choose the option that best suits your promotional needs. After setting the type of discount, enter a unique code that customers will use at checkout. Make it catchy, easy to remember, and related to your promotion to maximize its appeal. Next, fill in the specific details of your discount. Set the discount value, apply any specific conditions such as minimum purchase amount, and determine the validity period by selecting start and end dates. Take your time with these settings, as they're crucial for not only making the discount attractive but also ensuring it aligns with your business goals. Now that your discount code has been created, it's time to display it on your site. Visibility is key. Customers won't use a code they can't find. Start by heading to your Shopify admin dashboard. Under the Online Store section, click Themes. You'll now see your current theme displayed. Select Customize next to it to enter the theme editor, where you can make design changes to your store. Navigate to the part of your website where you want the discount code to be visible. Popular choices include the homepage banner, a pop-up, or a dedicated discounts page. Within the theme editor, find the section labeled Header or Slideshow, depending on where you want to display the code. Add a new block or edit existing text to include your discount message. Make sure it's noticeable and clearly communicates what the offer is about. Consider incorporating vibrant colors or bold text to help the discount stand out. If your theme allows, utilize buttons that lead customers directly from the discount message to your product pages or checkout. This streamlined process can significantly increase the likelihood of them using the code. Finally, preview your changes before publishing them. Testing is crucial to ensure everything looks good across all devices. Once satisfied, hit Save to publish your updated theme changes. And there you have it, a simple way to add visibility to your Shopify discount codes, an essential step in converting browsers into buyers.